There are two different ways to download the latest CalderaRIP version for a macOS operating system. We can either use the workspace or CalderaDock. CalderaDock is the most efficient way, as it contains a Resources tab that allows the CalderaRIP DMG file to be downloaded directly. Here, you can choose between two DMG files, a full or a light version. The full DMG contains the CalderaRIP installation package plus all printer drivers. This means that it allows to install specific printers during CalderaRIP installation. Therefore, the downloaded DMG file could be large, around 3 GB. The light DMG only contains the CalderaRIP installation package, without printer drivers. This file is therefore smaller, it's around 2 GB. By selecting this file, you would need to download and install drivers after CalderaRIP installation has been completed. Let's download the full version. We click on the download button to start the DMG download. The download will be available in the Downloads folder.